Right, Setters Limited. So today we are downtown at the Jamaica Conference Center. We'll be replacing a HP 250 G10 screen. So the screen has a damage right here. So the entire screen, they can't see on it. So we'll be replacing it today. So we already removed the top screen bezel, and now we're removing the tape from it. It's right here. And in this box is where we have the new screen. So we're going to pull gently on this tape. As we pull on it hard, it will break, and then the screen will be difficult to come out. So just pull on it gently. It will stretch to maybe about 2 feet. Once it's out, see this side of the screen, release. The tape on this side was broken, so we have to just pull it and then put the tool behind it. Push the tape until your tweezer can get to hold it. Once the tweezer hold it, then you gently again pull on it. Once it's out, the screen will release. See? Here we have it.